Hi guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with my lovely daughter Cherry Pie. We created this Day of the Dead look for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how we created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we're first gonna be drawing the spider web on the forehead. I'm just using a white eyeliner as a guideline. This one is by MAC. It's called Fascinating. But whatever white eyeliner you guys have at home, you can definitely use it. I'm first gonna create my letter V right on the center. And then I'm basically gonna repeat what I did on this side on the other side. Alrighty, now that we have that, we're gonna start creating the curves. I'm first gonna start right on the top. Ooh, it looks like a seashell. And then I'm just gonna keep on going. Now that I'm pretty happy with that, I'm just gonna be tracing it over with this TV paint stick by Krylon. It's just a white face paint. And I'm gonna be using a really fine eyeliner brush. And this will just make it a lot whiter. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm just gonna be using the same white eyeliner as my guideline again and just create my small curves. And I'm just gonna be doing this all around her eyes. Next will be the nose. So I'm just creating a small V. And we don't need to fill it in, guys, because we're gonna go over with it with the TV paint. We're also gonna be adding a spider web right on the chin. So I'm first gonna do a straight line. Now I'm gonna fill in the nose area. To create the teeth, I'm gonna be using a flat brush like this. And with the fine eyeliner brush, I'm just gonna create kind of like a small lines. And I'm gonna go over it again on the teeth area to make it 3D like. I'm gonna repeat the process on the other side and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back. You can definitely stop here if you'd like, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down all the way to the neck. And on the collarbone. I'm gonna add one more right here. Now for the finishing touches, I'm gonna be taking some pearls. I got this at Joann's last year, so I'm not sure how much I bought it. these already come with adhesive, so I'm just gonna apply it right there. And I'm gonna apply one more right on the center. I'm gonna take these small pearls and add this on the chin area. To complete the look, I'm just gonna add small dots right at the center of the curves to give it that extra pop. Last but not the least, I'm just gonna add a little bit of some curves right around this area. And I'm just gonna repeat on the other side. And again, add some small pearls. Alrighty guys, so this completes our Day of the Dead makeup Halloween tutorial.
Wait.
Oops.
This whole entire look is missing something. Let me fix that. And there you have it. This whole entire look is now complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!